My name is Casey Ellison. I'm the co-owner of Dyezz Surveillance Access in Dallas, Texas, and I am currently the Director of Operations.
My name is Cody Shortle. I'm with Dyezz Surveillance Access here in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, and I am President of Operations here in Dallas-Fort Worth. So Dyezz Surveillance Access here in Dallas-Fort Worth was originated from John, Casey, myself. I used to own a company called AST Security. It was established in 2015 here in Farmers Branch, Dallas-Fort Worth area. Throughout that time, Casey and I became friends. Casey was working at the Austin market, and we did a lot of service work through AST Security. Over the time, the friendship developed, and I wanted to get to be a bigger company. Through partnership, I talked with John and Casey, and we were able to develop a Austin branch of Dyezz, now being Dyezz Surveillance Access.
About 5 or 6 years ago, I needed a subcontractor to do some subcontract work in Dallas-Fort Worth area. A friend of mine introduced me to Cody. That eventually led to us doing a lot of work together. And so eventually we started talking about opening up a branch in Dallas and just kind of taking over the current company he had so we could help him to get bigger, and of course get bigger for all of us.
It's always been a dream of mine to own a bigger sized company. Working with Dyezz over the years, we've created a great relationship, and the Dyezz name down in Austin is very synonymous. You know, it's a well-known name down there. Bringing that name into the Dallas-Fort Worth, we wanted to see if we could make it work up here, and that's where we're at this point.
So I mean, really what separates us is the fact that we've got a good quality group of employees. We also offer a no contract option on the alarm, and we also offer a cash option on the alarm.
We look at bigger and better ways of achieving the final product to make sure the customer is both happy with the way that the product works, as well as it's going to be aesthetically pleasing. That's what we do. We deliver a quality product, and it looks great, it functions like it's supposed to, and our customer's very happy with it.
The biggest thing is that everything nowadays is gone cellular. And what that does for the customer is that allows them to not only be able to arm it and disarm it remotely, but the ability to add in wireless devices like lighting controls, thermostats, door locks, cameras. It can all tie in together in one platform now, whereas used to you had to have a different app for everything that you did.
We're able to get on and remotely log into the customer's account, see what a customer is talking about, the issues that are occurring with their system, and we're able to troubleshoot it typically over the phone, and we just resolve the problem a lot quicker than we could in the past, where a customer would call you, this is going wrong. But with the newer technology, it's really advanced where we do not have to roll trucks on every service call. We deliver the customer service that they're looking for. We try to respond to customers on the same day, get them on the schedule, make sure that they're going to be taken care of quickly.
Whether they're in a high-rise or they're in their condo, a good price and a good deal on whatever it is they're needing.
Whatever it may be, we're there to help them out.
Anything large or anything small, there's nothing either way that's too small or too big for us.
Also in the multifamily residential apartment complexes. The access control to get into the building, there's cameras that they have around the properties. It helps them to help their residents feel safe, that we're there to help them.
Not only being owners, but being people who are customers as well makes a big difference. We work 7 days a week. Irregardless of what's going on, whoever's on call, whatever it may be, our phones are with us. We're checking our emails. So our response times are very quick.
I always wanted to be a bigger company. I wanted to see how far we could take this. And with the help from Casey Ellison and John Dyezz, we're going to try to make this grow as big as we can. The sky's the limit. We're just trying to keep bringing on better employees that can go out and sell it. We're going to bring on more technicians to continue with the great installations that we do, as well as our service techs that take care of any problems that we may have out there with the customer.
If you need to reach out to us, please contact us on the website at www.dyezz.com or on our Facebook page at Dyezz Surveillance Access.